Hey guys, this is Manish. You are watching Technspice. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon to get future upload notification. If you end up liking this video, please click the like button. Also share it with your friends. So let's roll the intro. Let's kick off the video with a quick unboxing. This massive device comes in 6.53-inch OLED Gorilla Glass 6 display. As it's a curved display which is almost 90 degrees, but from the sides we can observe its beautiful waterfall display which Huawei calls horizon display. It's been so much curved that it almost touches the back panel. There is no room to put the physical volume rockers button, by which it is able to achieve 94.1% of screen to body ratio. But Huawei smartly uses the curved display with a double tap and slide to adjust the volume. Or you can use it as a camera shutter button. I don't find any accidental touch on the sides as it disables itself depending on the situation. Even though the resolution remains 1080p, it won't be as sharp as Samsung Note 10 displays, but still it's a very good improvement from P30 Pro with a new color rendering engine. The screen is sharp with vibrant colors and best black depths. The device still has the notch, but it's narrower and more sophisticated notch we have seen before. It houses a 32-megapixel f2.0 selfie camera and a dedicated 3D depth sensor, gestures and proximity sensor. The same camera works for the face unlock feature, but it's really quick and responsive at every time. It has under the screen fingerprint sensor which is faster and better than the Mate 20 Pro. The device looks premium in hand with the weight distributed evenly. It weighs 198 grams. The device is backed with a massive 4500 mAh battery. As you guys know, I am using the Huawei devices for the past 6 odd years. Battery backup wise, Huawei devices are the best in my view. It's the same story with the Mate 30 Pro as well. I was able to get more than a day's charge with my regular usage. The package includes a 40 watts supercharger which will top up the device really quick. With fast wired and wireless charging support, you don't need to worry about the juice. It also has the reverse charging feature which was introduced in the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. The device comes with single bottom firing speaker, but it's quite loud that you can easily compare with any mobile with stereo speakers. The device doesn't come with headphone jack, because of which it is certified with IP68 dust and water resistant. Mate 30 Pro comes with dual SIM tray, or you can use a tray to expand the memory using the nano memory SD card up to 256 GB. The device comes in another variant which has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Both the variants are supported by UFS 3.0. The Mate 30 Pro comes in variety of color options. We have here the vegan leather version. I am so much sick of those old glassy look back designs. The vegan leather orange color looks very much premium in hand and the leather feels very soft as well. Mate 30 Pro is powered by Huawei's in-house chip, the Kirin 990 with Mali G76 16-core GPU. The device is available in 4G and 5G versions. Today I have with me the 5G version here. Mate 30 Pro comes with quad camera setup at the back. with 40 megapixel ultra-wide cine camera, 40 megapixel super sensing f1.6 with optical image stabilization, 8 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom and 5x hybrid zoom, and 30x digital zoom with optical image stabilization and a 3D depth sensing camera. All this is powered by the Leica camera. Stay tuned with the channel. I will be doing a full camera review of this beautiful beast. Until then, check out the sample pictures and videos taken in this device. Now at last, let me speak about the user interface. Mate 30 Pro comes with EMUI 10 on top of the Android 10. The user interface is redesigned and now it looks clean and smooth. Adding up more gesture features, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro makes more appealing. As usual, gaming performance is smooth and perfect. It can handle whichever games you throw at it. It gives the best results. Overall, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro has become my personal favorite for a lot of reasons. As the device is not coming with the official Google apps and Google services, I will be making a video soon about how you can install the Google mobile services as well as the Google official apps. The most lovable thing about this device is the horizon display with volume controls. It may be a gimmick but still a creative stuff. With world's best mobile camera, improved software and processor, it's a killer flagship. I hope you guys liked this video. Do like, share, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, this is Mani signing off.